Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to wash a car like a professional. Keeping your car clean not only makes it look great, but also helps protect the paint and maintain its value. Follow these 10 simple steps for a safe and effective car wash. Step number 1. Park in a shaded area. Wash your car in the shade or during the early morning or evening. Direct sunlight can cause water and soap to dry too quickly, leaving water spots and streaks which may damage the color. Step number 2. Gather your supplies. You will need 2 buckets, one for soapy water, one for rinsing. Car wash soap, microfiber wash mitt, soft wheel brush, hose or pressure washer, microfiber drying towels, tire cleaner, optional, wheel cleaner, optional. Avoid using household detergents, as they can strip the protective wax from your car's paint. Step number 3. Rinse the car thoroughly. Start by rinsing the entire vehicle from top to bottom. This removes loose dirt, dust, and debris that could scratch the paint during washing. Step number 4. Clean the wheels and tires first. Wheels are usually the dirtiest part of the vehicle. Spray wheel cleaner if using one, then scrub the wheels, tires, and wheel wells with a dedicated brush. Rinse thoroughly before moving on to the body. Step number 5. Wash the car from top to bottom. Fill one bucket with clean water and the other with soapy water. Dip the wash mitt into the soapy bucket. Wash one section at a time. Then rinse the mitt in the clean water before loading it with fresh soap. This 2-bucket method helps reduce swirl marks and scratches. Step number 6. Rinse frequently. After washing each section, rinse it with clean water before the soap dries. Continue working around the vehicle from the roof down to the lower panels. Step number 7. Dry the car immediately. Use clean microfiber drying towels or a car dryer to remove water before it evaporates. Drying immediately helps prevent water spots and leaves a streak-free finish. Step number 8. Clean the windows and mirrors. Use an automotive glass cleaner and a clean microfiber cloth. Wipe both the inside and outside of the windows for maximum clarity and a polished appearance. Step number 9. Apply wax or spray sealant. Once the car is dry, apply a spray wax or paint sealant to add shine and create a protective layer against dirt, UV rays, and rain. Follow the product instructions for the best results. Step number 10. Finish the details. Clean the door jambs, wipe down the dashboard if needed, dress the tires with a tire shine product, and inspect the vehicle for any missed spots. A final walk-around ensures your car looks its best. Pro tips. Wash your car every 1 to 2 weeks to keep dirt from building up. Use separate tools for the wheels and the paint to avoid transferring brake dust. Replace microfiber towels when they become worn or contaminated. Never use dish soap or abrasive brushes on your car's paint. Rinse your wash mitt often to reduce the chance of scratching the finish. With these 10 easy steps, your car will stay cleaner, shinier, and better protected while reducing the risk of paint damage. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press bell icon of our channel for more interesting videos.